Hey y'all, so today we're going to do a lace closure install on this beauty here, and I slowed down this clip just to show you guys her braid pattern because I forgot to record me sewing the other side. So you'll just see me pulling this side pretty tight so that I can sew down the other side. So since I didn't get to record the other side for you guys, what I typically do is have the client hold the closure in the middle while I sew the first side all the way down. There are some people who kind of do like a seesaw motion, who like do 2 stitches on one side, 2 stitches on the other side, and that works well too. I just prefer to just go ahead and get one side done and then go ahead and go to the other side. So once you get the first side sewn down, the client shouldn't have to hold it while you do the other side. You just have to go ahead and pull it, you know, pretty tight so you can lay really flat and get the other side done. So what I'm doing here is taking a piece of the front of the closure and having my client hold it pretty tight so that when I sew the back of the closure down, I don't snatch the front of the closure back. So it just pretty much helps me to sew the closure and make sure that I'm keeping it in place and not snatching the closure back like behind her hairline. And here I kind of do the same thing. I part out the edges of the closure and I go ahead and sew it to the front area of her braids to sew down the front. I don't like to sew in front of the hairline of the closure. I feel like it looks weird, so I like to sew a little bit behind the hairline of the closure. So she's just holding those hairs to keep the closure in place so I can sew it down good. Here I'm just going ahead and making her part because this is a freestyle closure, so it didn't come with the part already in it, which is great. I prefer these anyway. So I just go ahead and make her part, and I'm going to use some Nairobi wrap foam to put on there to go ahead and kind of get the part setting while I sew in her extensions. And I use those little duckbill clips just to keep it flat, and I just clip up the excess hair like so. And here I sped up this process because I'm just finishing up sewing in her extensions. I feel like that part is pretty self-explanatory, but let me know if you guys want a detailed tutorial on how to do a sew-in, and I can definitely do that for you. She is using Yummy Extensions. I believe this is their Lao collection. I could be wrong, don't quote me. But this is 3 bundles, and I forget the length because she's used this probably at least a good 3 or 4 times. And the extensions have held up really, really well. And here I'm just finishing up her install. She wanted me to flat iron it bone straight. And the one last trick I like to use is you'll see me use the wand at the root of the closure just to go ahead and get it super duper flat. And the flat iron that I'm using is the Babyliss flat iron. I'm not sure exactly what model I use because it's pretty old. And I use the Care wax stick just to lay down those excess flyaways up there. And I take that wand to go ahead and get it super duper flat. And voila, she's ready. Here I'm going to go ahead and pluck her part a little bit. I don't like super duper wide or perfect parts, but if the closure is too dense and too thick, I will go ahead and pluck a little bit. So I'm just plucking her part. And yeah, if you're in the Dallas area and you would like an appointment, please click the link in my bio, and I hope to see you soon. Also, please guys, like, comment, and subscribe, and let me know if there are any other tutorials you would like to see or any questions that you have. I'm here to help. Talk to you soon.